Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the surface and tools so the new sticker bonds correctly. Use isopropyl alcohol to remove grease, then let the area dry. Once dry, position the sticker without removing the backing to check alignment and orientation. If edges or logos must match spokes or frame lines, mark a tiny pencil dot as a guide. You should also warm the sticker briefly with a hairdryer on low to increase flexibility. This helps during the first peel and reduces bubbles as you apply. Now you apply the sticker carefully, working from one edge to the other so alignment stays perfect. Peel a small portion of the backing, set the exposed edge, then slowly press while peeling the rest. This minimizes misplacement. Once down, use a plastic scraper or a credit card held at a 45 degrees angle to squeegee air toward the edges. If the sticker meets a curve, warm it and ease it into place, making small, controlled stretches rather than a single hard pull to prevent distortion. Finish by trimming any overhang with a sharp blade, using masking tape as a guide and shield for the frame. Once trimmed, press all edges again and allow the adhesive to cure. Make sure to wait about 24 hours before aggressive cleaning or wet conditions to avoid lifting. If small bubbles persist, you can prick them with a sterile needle and press the air out, then reheat and smooth. If large areas lift, peel back slowly, rewarm, and reapply to correct alignment and adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.